Meaning of the English idiom, a bitter pill to swallow. Also used, tough pill to swallow, and the shortened form, bitter pill. A bitter pill to swallow is something unpleasant that is difficult to accept, such as a disappointment or setback, but that must be accepted and endured. Usage of idiom. A bitter pill to swallow is often shortened to just a bitter pill. A tough pill to swallow is a less formal version of the idiom. It is difficult to say which version is used more frequently. Neither variant, of course, involves any actual pill nor the act of swallowing. Examples of use. Having his benefactor endorse his political enemy was a bitter pill for the mayor to swallow. For the first time, the team made it all the way to the championship, so losing the final game was a bitter pill. Having her athletic career cut short because of an injury was a tough pill for Maria to swallow. Origin of idiom. Versions of this idiom have been used since the 1500s. The expression may be based on the proverbial idea that bitter pills, or bitter medicine in general, can have a healthful effect. The modern idiom alludes, in a similar way, to bitter-tasting medicines that must be endured, although it does not allude to any pleasant effects.